If you need to get your home plumbing in order and you're looking to get the best deal possible, then you need to find the right plumber to help you. Someone with years of experience, someone who knows what they're doing, and someone who has your best interests in mind. You want to go with a plumber who you can trust and you know is being honest with you. Someone who will explain every detail to you and answer all your questions with patience. And that's exactly who we are. With our vast experience, dedicated service, and a proven track record of getting the job done right, you can rest assured that we will help you with all your plumbing needs. We won't stop until you're completely satisfied. So if you want to hire a professional plumber, then contact us today for more details.